Things in the house. Hi everyone! That's our new house. Can you help me put everything in the house? Let's begin with the living room. First, we need a rug. The rug should be on the floor. Rug. This is a TV. We watch a movie on it. TV. And where can my family and I sit? We can sit on the sofa. Sofa. Let's add one more thing. An armchair. It's smaller than a sofa. Armchair. Oh, wait! We need a coffee table. We can put our cups of coffee on it. Coffee table. It's done! This is my new living room. This is my bedroom. In the bedroom, I need a bed. I can sleep in a bed. Bed. There's a pillow and a blanket on the bed. Pillow. Blanket. Now, I should put a beside table here. It's a small table next to the bed. Beside table. And where can I put my clothes in? I can put my clothes in the closet. Closet. This is a dressing table. It's pink. It has a big mirror. Dressing table. What else do I need? Yes, I need a shelf. Now I can put my dolls on the shelf. Shelf. My bedroom is ready. It's beautiful. This is the study. What do we need in a study? Right. We need a bookshelf. We put our books on the bookshelf. Bookshelf. We need a chair. We can sit in it. Chair. And we should have a desk. My mom works and I do my homework at the desk. Desk. Let's put a reading lamp on the desk. I use the reading lamp to read and study. reading lamp. I want to hang something on a wall. What can I hang? A clock. It shows us time. Clock. Great! The study is ready. This is the bathroom. Let's put the bathroom together. In the bathroom, there's a bathtub. We can take a bath in it. Bathtub. And there's a shower. We can take a shower. Shower. And there's a toilet. You sit on a toilet. Toilet. After using the toilet, we need toilet paper. We use toilet paper to clean ourselves. Toilet paper. Now, we need a sink. We use the sink to wash our hands and brush our teeth. Sink. We can hang a mirror on the wall. We look at ourselves in the mirror. Mirror. There's one more thing. A towel. It's used for drying our hands. Towel. And this is the new bathroom. This is the kitchen. There are some cabinets in the kitchen. We put our dishes in the cabinets. Cabinets. There's a sink on the cabinet. We wash the dishes in the sink. Sink. We need a fridge in the kitchen. We can keep our food in it. Fridge. Great! And how can we cook food? We can cook food on the stove. Stove. There are 2 pots on the stove. We can cook food in the pot. Pot. What else do we need? We need a washing machine. It's used for washing our clothes. Washing machine. Perfect! We put the kitchen together. This is the dining room. Let's put everything in its place. In the dining room, there should be a big table and some chairs. We sit in the chairs. Chair. And we eat at the table. Table. I have a beautiful plant. Let's put it here. It's green. Plant. I just need to hang something on a wall. My painting. I painted it myself. Painting. The dining room is ready. Thanks for helping. Review. Rug. TV. Sofa. Armchair. Coffee table. Bed. Pillow. Blanket. Beside table. Closet. Dressing table. Shelf. Bookshelf. Chair. Desk. Reading lamp. Clock. Bathtub. Shower. Toilet. Toilet paper. Sink. Mirror. Towel. Cabinet. Sink. Fridge. Stove. Pot. Washing machine. Table. Chair. Plant. Painting.